Hi guys, welcome back to my kitchen. Now today's video is very different considering I am sharing a lot of reality from my life and all the aspects of it. All this food vlogging, going to these restaurants, traveling, Italy, pizza, seafood has made me gain some weight. And considering I have shows coming up, which is also something, not something, that is what I do. I have to keep my daily diet easy on my stomach and I have to count the calories. So this is one roast chicken that I make that tastes really nice. Other times I add potatoes and other goodies in it, but today I'm going to just roast this chicken with olive oil, which is going to be my lunch today. And I thought, let me share this with you guys as well. So I've taken a leg and a thigh piece, and I'm going to just season it with some salt, on both sides of course, some pepper, my oven is ready. Okay, so some salt and pepper, a little bit of oregano, and some garlic cloves. Just throw it in. Some parsley, and of course some olive oil. Then I'm going to give it a good mix. I love using iron skillets. It gives you the best results when it comes to cooking meat or fish. Now it's going to be covered with a foil and I'm going to put it on bake and on 200 in the oven. I've placed it in my oven and now it's going to cook for exactly 1 hour. The oven settings on 200 degrees on bake for 1 hour. I'll see you right after that. 1 hour is over. So the first step is over and I'm going to just remove the foil first and then I'm going to put it back into the oven to make the top crispy. Now I have put it back in the oven and I'm going to cook it for another 5-10 minutes so that the top or the skin is crispy. While my chicken is getting ready, I have a few hungry spectators because they are always taking it for granted that the food is for them. In the meantime, some stir-fried beans because one needs roughage. The chicken is ready and now I will serve it. My lunch is ready. This is what I'm going to have. This is low carb and not no carb because I'm going to be having this sourdough bread which is high in roughage and it's whole wheat, and a little bit of berries always kind of add to the flavor. I don't believe in no carb at all because it is very difficult to maintain and not practical for me because I need to keep eating out. Now I'm going to cut some of the chicken and show you how juicy it is. Do give it a try. I think you will love it. Now I'm going to rush and have my lunch. See you next time. Thank you.